Hi, this is Richard.Hebert with Engel Völkers New Orleans. I'm a local real estate advisor here in the greater New Orleans area, and today I am so excited to share with you my brand new listing at 1404 Focis Street, right in the heart of Metairie. It's located between W Esplanade and Veterans and just a stone's throw over into Lakeview. So beautifully located, easy access to bars, shopping, and restaurants, as well as I-10. 1404 Focis Street is a 3-bed, 2-bath, 2,200 square feet ranch-style home with a pool and so many updates that I can't wait to share with you. So without further ado, let's take a look at 1404 Focis Street here in Metairie, Louisiana. The entire exterior is brick, so you've got a really sturdy building material that'll provide you peace of mind for years to come. Right as you enter the home, you walk right into this big living room with this huge fireplace that is a gas fireplace. So it's super easy to use, super easy to take care of. And it's got that big kind of large space feel to it while still keeping the cozy vibes going. Right off the entrance is also the flex space. So this flex space is actually not considered as one of the 3 bedrooms. So this could function as a 4th bedroom, or if you would like, or you can use it as a home office. You've got this additional door to the exterior right there. These are all great uses for this space that just used to be a garage before. So it was fully closed in with a laundry room right there. And you can use this for anything that you need. It could be a playroom, like I said, a home office. It can be a fitness studio, whatever you need. And now we're going to head into the bedroom part of the house. So all 3 bedrooms are located off of the main hall. Here is the guest bathroom. In both the guest bathroom and the primary ensuite, the vanity area is separate from the shower and tub areas. And in both bathrooms, the shower, tub, and toilet areas have been completely renovated. So you'll see a lot of really nice upgrades there. You'll also see that throughout the home, except for those tiled areas in the living room, dining room, and kitchen, you've got a brand new luxury vinyl plank flooring throughout in a nice warm wood tone. That first bedroom has a double closet, and it's a good size as well. This is the 2nd bedroom. They currently use it as a home office with the security monitoring here. So all of those cameras and the security system will stay with you in the home to provide additional peace of mind. And that is just the first of 2 walk-in closets. Now we're heading into the primary suite. The primary suite is also a very good size. The cellars have some pretty big furniture, but if you've got smaller furniture, it'll feel even larger. Here you have a walk-in shower, so if somebody has physical limitations or needs that or prefers that or whatever they would like, it's a great ensuite bathroom for that. So with the vanity being separate from the shower and toilet areas, one person can be getting ready while the other person's taking their shower, just for that ease of use and ease of getting ready. It's just a nice, cozy bedroom. It's really lovely with the updated windows and all that good stuff. And then another large walk-in closet right there for if you've got as many shoes as the cellar has. If you've got lots of clothes, then you've got plenty of room for it. And speaking of lots of storage, right in the hallway, you've got these 2 linen closets. So you can use that for whatever you would need. And that iPad style panel right there on the wall, that's going to be your security system panel. So you can handle everything from there. You can also do it from a mobile app that you can download. It makes it really easy whether you are going out of town for a while or just for the day or having a night in. Off of the living room, you have everything open into the dining room as well as the kitchen. So it has a really good flow for entertaining. And I like the function of a galley kitchen, but sometimes I feel they can feel a little too small, whereas that one has the open peninsula area with the shorter wall on one side. Now, this is the room that we passed as we were walking into the house at the very beginning. This they use as the billiards room. It also has a nice bar in it, but you could use this for a additional formal living room, as a formal dining room. You could keep it as a billiards room, whatever you'd like. And that pool table and bar, if they speak to your spirit, we can talk about negotiating that. The sellers did some great work in the kitchen as well. All new backsplashes, under cabinet lighting, all brand new stainless steel appliances. That gas range I am very, very jealous of that kitchen. Off of your dining room, it opens right out to the covered patio. So even on the rainiest of days, you can still enjoy some outdoor space. And that'll carry you over to the pool. The pool is 4,000 gallons, so it is not a massive pool. This is the perfect pool for somebody who wants a pool but might be a little intimidated by the maintenance of a large pool. The house has a lot of that on the outdoor areas. It's got good green space. It's got a great layout back here, but it's not too much to maintain. So it's really easy to keep up this outdoor area while still enjoying the benefits of all of those features. So smaller pool, mid-sized pool, good cocktail pool. Good outdoor area, and then a little bit of grass. So if you have kids or pets, there's still plenty of green space out there, even right around the pergola that the sellers installed. So we're heading back through the kitchen on our way out so that you can get one more look at those beautiful stone countertops and the pool room, the billiards room here. But that's 1404 Focis Street. They've got a ton of upgrades. It's on a great block. It's really peaceful. And if you have any questions, if this piqued your interest at all and you want to see more, the listing link is down below in the description box. You can also book your tour through that link if you would like to book a private tour with me. And if you have any other questions or you're looking to buy or sell in the greater New Orleans area, I'd be happy to talk anytime. Again, my name is Richard.Hebert with Engel Völkers New Orleans. Thank you so much for watching, and feel free to contact me anytime at my personal cell 504-617-5184 or over on my website, richardhebertrealtor.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe.